Welcome back, everybody. This is Eric here with IV8888. Today we're going to be unboxing our December man can. This was our Santa's EDC. I guess in case you can't figure it out, it's an EDC box, but we figured we'd make it Santa's EDC. Anyway, I think you guys will enjoy it. We're going to unbox that in a moment here. The theme that is currently for sale right now is the January can, and that is Founding Fathers. If you guys want to get your Founding Fathers can, make sure you go over to the website and get that now. There's going to be some great items in that box. It's going to be mostly apparel related, so make sure you put in your t-shirt size. We're going to do a cool t-shirt, probably a hat, a mug, some other odds and ends. A lot of people really love the Veterans can, so we're trying to do one for January related to our Founding Fathers that is very similar to that type of box. So if you loved the Veterans box, you're going to love January's box. So make sure you go and get it now and use the discount code Holiday88 to get 10% off, even on your man can purchase. You can do that. So what are man cans? I'm going to do that just really quick, mention that for you. A man cans is basically a product that we sell to help support our channel. The fans can purchase a box and the funds go directly back into supporting our channel. Okay, we do a $30 tier, a $60 tier, and a $100 tier. Generally speaking, unless otherwise noted, all of the items in the lower tier go in the next tier up. So if you buy a $100 box, you're getting all of the items that would go in the $60 and $30 box as well. And obviously, the more money you spend, the more cool stuff you get. So we offer different tiers to give everybody an opportunity to spend what they want and get what they want there. We also sell t-shirts here on the website. If you love the channel and you want to support us, consider picking up a t-shirt. Guys, all the funds we get, they go right back into supporting our channel and everything like that. So with the shirts, make sure we have to have all of the orders in by the end of day Sunday so that we can get them printed and out to you no later than the 20th. Now, anything that you buy on the website in terms of overstock, we are running an overstock sale right now. If you use the code BLOWOUT88, you get 40% off on everything on the website that's in the overstock category. But you have to have those blowout orders in by the 20th if you want them in time for Christmas delivery. For t-shirts, if you want your t-shirt in time for Christmas delivery, I have to have those orders in by the end of day Sunday, this Sunday, the 17th, so that we can get those printed up and out to you in a timely manner. So t-shirts, blowout merch, and then the code Holiday88 for 10% off on man cans and anything else on the website, including t-shirts. So if you want a t-shirt, make sure you use that Holiday88 code and get your 10% off, okay? Saves you some money. Okay, this is the point in the video where we're going to unbox the December can. If you want to be surprised, do not watch this part of the video because this is kind of a bit of a spoiler here, okay? So the regular box, we're going to go ahead and get this. And a lot of this stuff is shipping in flat rate. I know I've just got a little flat rate box here because a lot of the stuff is small in terms of its size. So don't let it fool you. It's going to look like small items, but they are good items that you can use, I hope. All right. So in the regular box, this was a $30 box. We did this Browning knife here. All right, just a nice, comfortable, classy Browning knife. You've got the engraved, it's actually like a laser engraved Browning logo there on the blade. Okay, a little carbon fiber and wood. That's a handy little knife. Okay, very cool. Kind of nice and simple. Okay, we did this knife sharpener. Okay, this sharpener is designed to go on your keychain. All right, you've got a diamond file. And then you got your ceramic and carbide taper cutters for sharpening your knife. And that's meant to just ride on your keychain. So again, EDC, lots of us, let's face it, lots of us cut open boxes and things like that with our knives. So sometimes it's nice, couple of strokes, you're just sitting around waiting in line or doing whatever. I don't know about where y'all are from, but from where we're from, you know, it's not a big deal to just pull a knife out and sharpen it wherever, okay? So that's a nice thing to be able to have to sharpen your knife on the go. All right, we did a mini crowbar. These little jokers here, a little more than you might think. All right, that goes on your keychain as well, and it's literally a miniature crowbar, pulling nails, whatever you got to do. And also, I know this is going to sound crazy, because some of you will use your knife for this, but if you got like dirt under your fingernails, these little crowbars are perfect for digging dirt out from under your fingernails as well. All right, we did a set of key chain screwdrivers. All right, and it's got the little ring in here, but basically you just got a flathead and a Phillips. All right, and that goes on your keychain, and then it comes with a little ring. That's the $30 box. Now, she's got soap abbreviated here. We had some leftover fight soaps, and I believe what we ended up doing is putting a holiday fight soap in with the $30 boxes as well. I know on the outside it looks a little light, but they are high quality items, and we were really going for usefulness over quantity. So I hope you guys can recognize that with this particular box. The $30 box, we wanted everything to be useful. We want it to be something you could physically take out and use immediately with your EDC setup. Okay, so the Man Up box. All right, you get everything in the regular. Now, what we did with this particular December can is the regular, Man Up, and Mega each got a knife. You don't get the lower knife tiers with each other box. It's just a physically different knife, okay? So there's your $30 box. In the Man Up box, you get all of these items except the knife. You don't get the knife, but you get these other items. And then we also did some Keybar Tools, because more tools is better, right? And then we did another type of folder. This one's, a little bit nicer. Okay. So that's our folder for the Man Up can. That one turned out really nice. Let me mention something about Keybar here. So Mike made a little bit of a mistake, and it actually ended up working out good for you guys, because I was able to get you 2 different tools for basically the price of admission of one, okay? These are actually marketed as zipper pulls, but I could see that you could also probably put that on your keychain if you wanted to, but it's intended to be a Phillips screwdriver zipper pull, okay? So this little tool head can come out of here, and you put it in this little hole, and you've got a little miniature screwdriver, okay? And that's meant to just go on a zipper pull or a keychain. We did the small version, and then he also did his bullet version, which is this one. And he also gave you a 10% off coupon for anything else off on the website. So there's some added value. Now, I don't have this particular one put together, but these little rubber O-rings essentially hold your tools in there. So there's a T25 Torx and a Phillips. So if you need to use it as a screwdriver, you can do that. So it's meant to be, again, a zipper pull, but you could also put that on a keychain if you wanted to, okay? Really cool stuff, and that's from Mike down at Keybar. We've done a lot of stuff with Keybar in the past, and his products are great, and he always comes up with some just really interesting engineering and just interesting stuff that's just really cool and useful, and we really appreciate him working with us on this one. We were able to get, basically 2 pulls. We were only going to do the one, but he ended up making a mistake with the manufacturing, ended up making a whole bunch of the small ones. He went ahead and allowed you guys, we put the small ones in there for you as well. So that is the Man Up. These Keybar tools are on the pricey side, guys, and I definitely want to say thanks to Mike for letting us put both these items in the box, because these are kind of pricey. All right, he didn't have to do that. That was really kind of him. And also you get the 10% off coupon. So, all right, we're going to move on to the Mega. So the Mega, all right, this is the one that we did the full custom for, and we did these through Bastion. All right, look at this thing. It's kind of like a scimitar, like a pocket scimitar. And what we were sort of going through for here, and this is a completely unique custom design D2 tool steel blade. These are alloy grips. I don't think we ended up doing G10. We did alloy. But what I was thinking with this was almost like a pocket cleaver, literally. Kind of like the first EDC blades we did. We were calling them like a pocket cleaver. You could totally, cut up some veggies with this or whatever. And it's just an interesting knife design. It's kind of odd and quirky and big and robust. And we thought this would be a really fun knife to put in this box. I really like it. It's unique. It's one of the most unique knives we've probably ever done through Bastion. So really cool stuff there. All right, so that's going in the Mega box along with, all right, check this out. This is neat. So we got these through Voodoo. So we've done Zippo lighters in the past, but we thought what would be really fun in this one, this is a rechargeable electric lighter that looks like a Zippo. All right, so you open it, and you don't flick it like you do a Zippo. You just push it. Look at that. Windproof Lighter. Okay, so you can start fires with that. You can whatever. You don't have to worry about the wind causing any issue. So it's still a windproof lighter, but it's electric. It doesn't use flints and fluid or anything like that. You charge it. How cool is that? That's neat. Very, very, very cool. All right, and that's from Voodoo Tactical. Okay. All right, last but not least, another item from Voodoo Tactical. We did a tactical pin. This is kind of neat, and the whole idea behind this is that it can be used as a defensive item. You can also write with it. So it's still a pin, but the way that it's set up, you know, it's made out of aircraft grade aluminum. It's really tough. You know, you can definitely persuade some, you can definitely offer some persuasion with this. This carbide tip, I believe this carbide on the end, is a glass breaker. All right, and that allows you to break a piece of glass with it. You can still write with it. So we thought that would be a fun item to put in this particular man can. So you got your tactical pin, you got your really cool custom knife, you got your zipper pulls with your tools on it, you got a little miniature crowbar that you can use for a variety of things, even more tools, a knife sharpener to keep your knife sharp while you're out on the road doing your thing. I think it's a pretty useful box. That's what we were really going for in this particular can. We hope you guys enjoy it, and Merry Christmas to everybody. We really appreciate all of you guys who help make the channel what it is. We're working really hard, almost overwhelmingly hard, to try to bring you guys the content you want, and we try to make you guys happy, and we really appreciate that y'all recognize that and y'all try to work with us. And many of you who support the channel, I mean, out of all of our subscribers, you know, literally 0.5% of you guys are responsible for making sure the other 99.5% of everybody else on the internet that watches our videos can continue to watch for free and uninterrupted content. So thank you guys for recognizing you know, what we do and seeing the importance in supporting our channel. It means a lot to me and my family, and we're very lucky to have you guys as viewers, and we appreciate all of you. So I'm going to let you guys get back to it. I know everybody's busy. We've got a lot of content on the way. We've been filming like madmen. Chad's been editing like a madman. We've had so much stuff going on. You have no idea. It's very overwhelming, but we always like to try to take a moment to tell you guys thank you for the support. So before I let you go, one last thing, just real quick. Again, it's Blowout88 if you want 40% off on all of the Overstock items that are on the site. Holiday88 gives you 10% off on everything on the entire website, including shirts and man cans. If you want your shirts in time for Christmas delivery, I have to have your orders in no later than Sunday evening, because I've got to get those units in the mat so that we can get them made, and we'll get them shipped out to you guys, and they will make it in time for Christmas. All right, so Overstock items, you can order those all the way up through the 20th and still get Christmas delivery. I have to have everybody's orders, period, in by the 20th, no later than the 20th on Overstock items if you want them in time for Christmas delivery. And again, January Man Can is for sale right now. Don't forget to pick one up and use the Holiday88 code to get 10% off. And that's our Founding Fathers can. If you liked the Veterans can, you'll really, really love that can. So guys, thank you so much for the support. Thanks for watching today's video. I know this one was a little bit long, but thank you very much. Many more videos on the way. We'll see you next time.